This 3-bedroom 2.5-bath townhome offers a great floor plan, convenient location and has never been lived in. It has served as the model for Willow Bend subdivision. As the model, it is well appointed. You will love the welcoming foyer with large closet. The main level is open and airy. The large kitchen is well designed, features an island and is open to the living area. There is also a dining area. Upstairs you will find the owner's suite, which features its own full bath and a huge walk-in closet. Also upstairs are 2 additional bedrooms, each with plenty of closet space, a nice hall bath and the laundry area. No time to cut grass. Don't worry, that is included. All appliances included, even washer and dryer. Enjoy the convenience of being minutes away from shopping, dining,